What is up, YouTube? It is Dennis the Explorer, and today I'll be remounting an old stone from the 1800s that we found buried underneath the ground. Alright, we have the stone of Douglas, son of... I cannot read that name, but the last name is Slaughter. It looks like they died in 1839. I can't make out the birth date. Maybe 1835. Young Douglas, we're gonna get you back up and standing. I have this random base that I dug up. Didn't have nothing to use it for until we came across this stone buried under the ground. All right. Got this piece of chalk right here. Just draw a line on top of this base. Oh shit. I feel like I came across another stone. Listen. It's the original base to the stone. We found you. Get a giant scoop. We'll get some sand. Get another scoop of sand. Just give it a little mix. Let's get inside here, a little wet. I put a shovel on each side, a little pitchfork on one and a little shovel on the other. We're going to make sure this stone is as straight as possible. So let's lift this up a little bit. Kind of move this forward. Put that back. Looks pretty straight. Alright, we got the stone of young Douglas standing again. This is young Douglas Slaughter. He was born in 1835 and died in 1839. He was just a few years old. Rest in peace, young Douglas. Here's Douglas's stone without the shovel on it. It came out great. It's the end of the video. Please make sure you guys like the video and consider subscribing to the channel. It will help the channel grow. I appreciate you guys watching. See you guys in the next one.